Hi everyone, it's Trishka here. As a mom, a wife, and someone who spent 14 years in corporate retail, I know exactly how overwhelming it can be to balance work, family, and still dreaming of more freedom. Today, I want to share some legit work from home without the scams, without the pyramid scheme, and without the need that you think you need to be online 24/7. Let's be real, most moms are already stretched thin. Between the early mornings, long working hours, cooking and keeping up with little ones, finding that extra time feels impossible. I used to leave home just after 5 a.m. in the morning and only got back after 5 p.m. I was exhausted and honestly it felt like I was missing the time with my family. That's when I started looking for a real way to work from home and I found it. There are legit work from home opportunities that can fit into a mom's busy lifestyle. Selling digital products. This one is my favorite because once it is set up, it can run for you 24/7 without you trading hours for money. Attraction and digital marketing. Learning to use platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube to attract your perfect audience and to share your story. No tech skills needed, just consistency and being real. Resell right programs or master resell right. You get it done for your products, keep 100% profit. Then only need a couple of hours a day to work on the income producing activities. This is exactly how I started. I actually walked away from corporate retail of 14 years because of this. Needed something that gave me flexibility, paid me in dollars, and didn't need a fancy degree or huge startup costs. First, I really doubted myself. Was it even possible for someone like me? What I discovered was with the right system, community, and the support, it's not only just possible, it is practical. I now run my own around my family, around my life, not the other way around. And I've seen other moms in our community go from burnout to living freedom as well. Here's what I recommend if you're a busy mom wanting to start. Pick something simple. Don't start with 10 things at once. Start with one legit income stream. Be consistent, not perfect. Even if you just have 2 hours a day, that is completely fine if you focus it on the right activity. Lean into a community. Don't try to figure it out all on your own. Find the support, even if it's with other moms or a business network. Think long term. This isn't a quick fix. It's about building something sustainable for your family's future. If you're a busy mom like me and you want to explore this legit ways to work from home, I've got resources, training, and even a free webinar that you can check out. And to help you see how this works in real life. Check the link in the description or just say ready and I'll reach out to you. Remember, freedom is possible for moms like us. You just need the right path. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And share this with the other mom who may need it. See you in my next video.